Okay, so we broke the samples. Blue versus Anycubic clear, printed on a 4 ton, cured in the same temperature, same light intensity. So what can we tell? This number's a hell of a lot higher for the blue, almost 10 times higher. And this is the number. If you drop it, is it going to shatter? So loosely speaking, if you're building something which you're going to drop a lot, use the blue. If you're not going to drop it and it's going to take a lot of force, the clear has got a higher UTS than the blue, so 54 versus 32, which again loosely twice as strong. And how much it stretches before it breaks: 17% for the blue, 5% for the Anycubic clear. So this is a lot more of a stretchy material, but it's not as strong overall. I was hoping the blue was going to be higher in its ultimate tensile strength. Maybe we could cure it under different temperatures and see if we can bring that up a little bit. But interesting results.